Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Here we are in qual 81 on Hopper. Long range shot from 52-32, but they get their notes stolen by Topper Robotics. Bare Metal's got one. They're going to try and score it, but it looks like it may be frozen in their intake. Topper coming back from the midline. A pretty close race here. Autonomous 24-19. A slight advantage for our Red Alliance. 28-34, the Bionic Blackhawks making their way to the blue source. Topper joining them there. Looks like 52-32 was frozen for a second, but they're back in action with a note of their own, launching it up and into the red speaker. 42-30 lining up at the amp as Bare Metal launches one in and blue is amplified. Bare Metal's got a note pulled inside their frame. They're bringing it on back to the amp, lined up and dropping it in easy as pie. 42-30 gonna do the same. Getting blue ready for another amplification cycle. Over on red, we've got robots doing the same. This note brought to you by Tubitech as 57-05, the Desert Eagles score into the red speaker. Another note up into the red speaker from the Talons as Tubitech drops another into the amp, meaning red can amplify whenever they choose. Bare Metal grabs a note from by their subwoofer, brings it to the amp, and drops it on in, and the Bionic Blackhawks pass up over the stage. These notes being passed help these teams score even faster, which is important when amplification only lasts 10 seconds long. Blue looks like they're gonna get 3, maybe 4 cycles in that amplification period, but red is amplified now. 45 seconds left to go in qual 81. Blue out to a 30-point lead. Both alliances making progress towards an additional ranking point, bolstered by the cooperation bonus. Bare Metal going over to steal a note that was passed over by the Red Alliance. Bringing it on back for their own amp. Nope, shooting it up into the speaker, which is amplified. That sound there means we're in the end game. Human players gonna start tossing up those high notes. Each one of those gonna add additional points, and we'll see if there's any notes gonna get scored in the trap. Looks like blue's going for some. Bare Metal gonna race to the trap. Bionic Blackhawks gonna do the same. 3 blue robots up off the ground. 3 red robots parked underneath their stage as time to the Blue Alliance, 125 to Red's 54. Blue gonna earn 4 ranking points for this match, 2 for the win, 1 for the melody bonus, and 1 for the ensemble bonus, being awarded for a G